Hey, good evening, everybody. I'm making the Cincinnati chili, like I said last night. Hopefully, you guys have been having a really good Thursday. So that's what it looks like inside. This is our upside down Cincinnati chili. There you go. All right, so I'm using the saute pan, but you can use an Instapot or a slow cooker, or steamers would be great. You could use the round steamer and put it in the oven because it's supposed to like simmer for an hour and a half or so. But that's up to you, whatever best utensil you have. I'm just using the steamer, the saute pan. We're home, so no big deal. Also, the saute pan can go actually into the oven, by the way. So I can get it started here and then toss it in the oven and let it finish its job. All right, so 4 cups of water, the package of our Cincinnati chili, and a can of tomato paste. Obviously, if you are not a tomato person, this is not for you. But Victor is very much into tomato. So, that's what we're doing. Alright, so get it all mixed up. And then you're going to add in 2 pounds of ground protein. We're just using beef. Obviously, trying not to spray myself with chili. So who's tried Cincinnati chili before? Has anyone ever had it? Is this new for everyone? So we did try it earlier in the year when it was a taste test in our Epic box, which by the way, the Epic box is pretty cool for that. If it becomes a favorite, everybody gives good reviews on it, it will will enter in the catalog. Usually it's the next one, obviously, won't be in the current one, but that's what happens. Oh no. Totally making a mess today. Seems to be my lot lately. I'm very messy. See? Look away, look away, look away. All right. This is where our handy meat separator will come into hand too, by the way. Just gonna push it down a little bit so it doesn't splatter me so much. All right. And then, there we go. Break it all up. And mix. And as you can see, it makes quite a lot of chili. 2 pounds. I believe it says it serves like 12 servings minimum. Personally, I think it's a lot more than that, but that's all right. Whatever your way of eating is. All right, there we go. So that's it. Seriously, that's it. So an hour of simmering. Just keep an eye on it, or as I said, put it in the Instapot or a slow cooker or round steamer and throw it into the oven. That saute pan can go in the oven as well. So you could finish it off in there. That does actually say if you want to change up the texture of it, make it smoother, more like a pasta sauce, use an immersion blender to do that if you want, and then thicken it up. And basically, yeah, chili over spaghetti with your choice of onions and kidney beans, grated cheddar, whatever it might be. That's it. Super simple. All right. Cincinnati chili. All right. Feel free to, hit me up if you have any questions about it, want more information. It's all on the website too, by the way. It's literally got, low in sodium, 135 milligrams, 1 fiber, 1 sugar, obviously. So it's got chili powder because that, tomatoes make it a little sweet. Organic cocoa powder, cinnamon, cumin, garlic, sea salt, chives, chili powder, allspice, black pepper. All that yumminess in there. All right. By the way, we still have tons of meatball and polenta that we will eat as well the next couple of days. So we're pretty much set for a few days. I will freeze some of this because this is definitely more than what we can eat in a couple of days, being only two of us. But it will freeze nicely. All right, that's it. Happy Thursday night. And yeah, reach out if you have any questions, want to place an order, want to get some yumminess in your house, want to have your own event, want to be your own ambassador, have questions about meal prep, just reach out. We'll chat.